Hello guys, today we're introducing the 215 kWh Outdoor All-in-One ESS Cabinet. First, this is the battery pack. Each battery pack has 17.9 kWh of power. This is the high voltage control box and power cables. Here is the cooling vent and the air conditioning unit of the battery cabinet. This is the maintenance switch. This contains 6 battery packs. The top section is equipped with a smoke detector. Here is the emergency power off switch for the energy storage system. Press it in case of a battery fault. The run indicator shows green. The alarm indicator shows yellow. The fault indicator shows red. There are 4 interfaces here, depending on the customer's choice. They can connect to PCS, SDS, DC-DC, and EMP respectively. And the wiring switch is located at the bottom. The right side is a dust-proof net. This is the HMI, the control screen for the entire battery.